Well,
It is the founders'
और
party.
क्या?
It's not your party.
तो भी है।
Such a fan of BJP.
हाँ about our meeting with Abhishek Berry. Abhishek Berry, right? This question of capturing the moment, right? We are, हाँ वही बैठेंगे हाँ बिल्कुल. So now we will start with Professor Saab. Professor Saab, I have always seen there is someone behind पर्दे के पीछे कोई आदमी तो है जो आपके इवेंट और आपके प्रोग्राम आपकी दिल की बात जानता है एंड इज एबल टू गिव शेप.
बिल्कुल.
जो क्योंकि देखिए दी आर्टिस्ट के दिमाग में पेंटिंग होती है वो कैनवस पर आती है तो देर इज सम मीडियम.
बिल्कुल.
एंड आई ऑलवेज हैड बीन थिंकिंग चाहे बॉम्बे हो दिल्ली हो और यहाँ कहीं पर भी हो आपके इवेंट्स हैविंग ए कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ एक्सीलेंस. And I never asked you, but I was thinking, yes, this will have somebody which is. So today we happen to meet Abhishek Berry.
Yeah.
And this is a coincidence.
Absolutely.
Why I am saying that we must capture this moment is such a coincidence.
Absolutely.
And you never knew, I never knew, and he never knew.
We were to go to Andhra Bhavan.
We were to go for
And I was in front of it at Haldiram's.
बताइए.
And we were calling, we were going to meet in another place.
Another place. नहीं, I have already met him there. वो
अच्छा.
हाँ वहाँ से मिलके मैंने कहा मेरे को ललित में जरूर जाना वहाँ पर इवेंट चल रहा है. And you happen to be there and he
I
happens
was
to be.
not to meet him here.
हाँ.
And then I tell him I'm coming to
So
London.
that's why I am saying it is
So this is
it is a divine meeting and we must capture those moments, right? So देखो you Thiaga also joined us. So we were discussing. You finish your call, then we will bring you in. So Abhishek, now everybody says that events are the backbone of industry, be it aviation or be it tourism or be it anything.
Energy, anything.
And you are sitting in a hotel, Lalit Hotel, right? Which is known for excellence in anything. And now you are a young man. And I have always seen the people who are doing events, they are very well matured, very seasoned. And at a quite young age you have got the experience and the professors have always been speaking very high of you. So what change you have seen, what thing and you have seen the COVID की मार भी आपने देख ली. And as we were discussing the curve, bell curve has revived also. So first you talk something about that, then we will come what you do, how you do, that's okay. So some experience sharing on that, right?
I have been associated with Professor Iyer for almost like, I can't count, maybe 15 or 20 years now. And we've been doing really good job. And his contacts, his PR, his diversity into getting people together and bringing them on a common platforms on stage and making the events most the standard of events so high.
Yes,
with
right.
the kind of people he gets to his events and shows. It's really good and it's my pleasure to have him to be associated with him over this field. And it's always good and comfortable working with him, no issues at all in any regard.
He is very good at grilling people and he must have grilled you so well and maybe you will be feeling proud of that grilling that he has.
He has a vast knowledge and experience which he shares often and it's good to have a good chat with him over coffee anytime that we can get.
If somebody has survived him for long, it means that person is something of a good alloy. So, right, good. So now, what is the change in the industry you have seen over a period of time? I am again asking you because you are a young man and you have seen a lot and you have to travel a lot. And what do you see which have brought you stronger to continue in this trade?
See, this event field itself is a very vast field.
Okay.
But I started from one thing, then gradually it is so vast and you have to increase your areas of work every time because the client demands are such that it's very challenging at times, and
Right.
he also wants one single point of contact to make his life easier. basically.
Right.
And all the pressure then comes to the event person in that part.
Yes.
But obviously it's a good experience and challenge for the other person also to handle it in that way, and it's a personal growth also in that.
So diversification is one mantra
Diversification is one thing
which
that
you have carry forward.
you have to be.
And what
there
is-
are new technologies and ideas things coming in every now and then. Even
Right.
the same way that you are recording this interview on a very small camera.
Exactly right.
And
Yes.
we put in such a big studio and the camera
yes.
and stuff.
That's
So
it.
everything is changing
Changing.
every time.
You must change with the wind.
Yes.
right.
You have to. You
right.
have to adapt to new things.
The future lies in that you have adopt and adapt
Exactly.
both.
Yes.
Right.
You have to. Otherwise you can't survive.
Exactly right. And another person who has always been touched on पर्दे के पीछे so no, how you have been managing things by sitting on another end of the board game. That's how do you manage that? It is the quality of the Abhishek or the quality in you. You are able to deliver on the ground, right?
I don't know how to explain about it. The main thing what I feel like doing it is ki whatever task has been given to you has to be implemented in the perfect way.
Right.
There's nothing like chalta hai. It has to be perfect.
Exactly.
It has to be at the dot. If it is not that way, then you are not satisfied.
Right.
If the opposite person is not satisfied, then you are not satisfied. And that starts with your own confidence of doing the thing.
Exactly. Right.
If you don't have your self-confidence, then it is no use of continuing the work.
Right.
Then you are not happy with your own work.
Right.
That is my mantra of doing.
Yes, sir.
I am confident on my work.
Yes, right.
I learn it first. As far as my sectors or years of experience is concerned, I have got experience in all the fields you can see.
Right.
Right from tendering, marketing, to legal, to corporate affairs, and now to the media you can see.
Exactly right. Exactly.
So all the fields I have been there. That's why I have learned a lot in all these spheres. When I came to media and working with Professor, I never knew what was media.
Exactly right.
At the start of my career with the Professor, I was there sitting in the office only for 6 years. 6 months, I suppose. I was just sitting.
Okay.
And he told me I will lead that time.
Right.
6 months.
Because I did not, I was just overseeing the subordinates or whatever, or my colleagues, I can say, who were working with them.
No doubt.
Though I was senior to them in age also and in experience also,
Right.
but I never knew this subject.
No,
I
but
was only learning for 6 months.
but your commitment
And after
the
that
kind
I
of
took over.
Graduated and become the backbone of the festival.
I was going to say that exactly right because I have seen his commitment so dedicated.
Though I get to speak to him only over phone or just for a few
Exactly.
but I know that how well he's managing and taking care of things.
Exactly.
There is a past which is very important to know. Where he has spoken to my brother also.
Acha, okay.
So Prakash used to be the man Friday talking to him. I don't think he has I feel he has seamlessly taken that because which was some I don't want to name them. But some people are skeptics.
Right.
अच्छा यार अब प्रकाश नहीं है तो आप कैसे करेंगे? And it was my own very close friends who asked me.
Yes,
And
right.
I was completely shattered at it, not thinking beyond.
Yes, right.
But then when he came, and I had a feeling that it was not sent.
Right.
Right? That feeling kept on. And
Seamless
It was
transition.
funny that we met at the hospital where my brother was there. So while he was going, I think he gave the hand. He said, "Look, I have already passed the baton, and you're the guy." So it has got a very emotional cord to me for this association.
Right.
It is not like the other things.
Right.
So I said, he's the man who has been sent
Exactly.
through a divine
Yes.
dimension. And it has been like that. It was like he's talking, he knows both of them.
Exactly
I cannot say
right.
this, but he's talked to both of them. Tell me, he should rather qualify today in this very
Exactly
sudden
right.
interview. That whether he found, he must be that it is the same heat one. आपने ऐसे भी कितनी बातें करी
Right.
So it's crazy. You know,
Yeah.
I remember that Prakash was talking to Yogendra Prasad.
Yeah.
It was not me. It was all him. So the same thing is happening.
Yes, right.
So he is the first contact.
Yeah,
Then
right.
only they come to me, most of them. So where is the question of? So it is. I am lucky कि मेरा वो जो एक विजन था, सोच था, उसमें कंटिन्यूटी थी.
Team building is not a very easy thing. You built a team. You have been inherited a team, and you continued. Then he also joined. That's very good thing.
नहीं, we have lost people.
हाँ, exactly.
But हमने अपना मतलब मेथड हमारा थोड़ा चेंज होगा. But like I'll give you a very good example. Probably this interview can make people teach.
Exactly right.
The way we used to do print before.
Right.
Print was our topic.
Right.
What happened to B2B publishing? And I came here because of Santosh Bhai.
Right.
The mentor was Indian Express man. और इससे बड़ी चीज क्या हो सकती है?
Exactly
One of
right.
the family members of the Express man, my mentor. So after I came, it was like publishing was the mainstream. तब सब कुछ वही था. Publishing से ही सब कुछ हो रहा था.
बिल्कुल right.
Then the destruction of the publishing happened because of one stupid move that happened. I don't want to blame any one single person. That smaller science, technology, and our type of media, which were trade publication in US language, but B2B in Indian parlance, I call them business to business publication.
Right. Right.
Or publications which have limited
Resources.
scope, limited access. I cannot go to a Pan Parag wala for an ad. If I Power magazine, I have to go to Parsi.
Yes.
for
Right.
news. Now this became difficult for us to earn because most advertisers withdrew from India in the by 2016. All were gone.
Right.
In fact, it was trickle down effect. 13 was the beginning of the end,
Right.
and 14 was the obituary of print.
Okay. Right.
So print was killing, and the first obituary was given in 2016 to B2B media like us.
Oh.
मतलब हमें कोई ऐड नहीं मिलना.
right.
आप तो जानते हो, बोलने की जरूरत नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
तो मैं नाम भी नहीं ले रहा क्यों ऐसा हुआ.
बिल्कुल.
But there was a system earlier where 50% of the PSU budget was kept for smaller publications like
Yeah.
this.
Exactly right.
Even if you're not RNI,
Yes,
इस
right.
RNI हो या ना हो.
बिल्कुल.
अब क्या हो गया है? You have to be RNI. वो RNI तो है हम ठीक है. लेकिन you have to also go to DAVP to get the money. Now that is highly political. You can't get money from any PSU. तो हमारे budget drive हो गए 50% और 60%. We were PSU driven.
Right.
Then few foreign advertisers escaped. Some big names.
Right.
Rolls Royce withdrew. MTU withdrew. MAN withdrew. तो हमारे बड़े बड़े advertisers थे. Alpha Level withdrew. पुणे. Thermax withdrew. मतलब we were left with nothing.
Right.
Because they went into manufacturing. But got hit. उसकी बैंड बज गई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग.
बिल्कुल.
वो अभी भी उठी नहीं. So print was gone. So you can imagine हम खाली प्रिंट वाले और हमारे पास कुछ नहीं तो हम क्या करें. तो मेरा वो विजन जो था which people fought with us, we don't make these non-profits. उससे क्या फायदा होगा?
Don't
आपको
keep
फायदा
all eggs in one basket.
नहीं. They said नहीं. They said non-profit मत बनाओ. आप प्रॉफिट की कंपनियां बनाओ.
Okay.
ये आप सुनिए.
Right.
I refused to do it. I registered non-profits.
Yes, right.
Nasha Foundation 2012, 2011 REPA. When I registered REPA, everybody was against me. आपको तो नशा का नाम इतना अच्छा है. ये नया नाम क्यों ला रहे हैं? And today the savior for me has been that organization.
Right.
We are here and growing because of our non-profits.
Right.
So because publishing what we were doing was like non-profits.
Yes, right.
So they asked me how do you survive? मैंने कहा I survive by default. Because I have no agenda actually. मेरा only agenda है agenda for India.
बिल्कुल right.
That agenda for India will make me work.
Right.
Anything can change, any atmosphere can change, any economy can change.
बिल्कुल.
And this vision, I somehow feel that Abhishek also shared in a small way. And
Exactly.
he understands, I give him a pitch. He understands what I'm doing. So that is what is binding us.
No, that's
We are
okay.
not for percentage, none of us.
That's the reason I
But
thought
yes, we end up
we must develop on, because we are sitting in a very ideal slot and very convenient place and environment. So now
The way we like you, आपके साथ भी कैसे दोस्ती हुई? पहले तो हम खाली नाम से जानते
बिल्कुल.
थे. 5-6 और कॉमन दोस्त थे.
बिल्कुल
फिर हम
right.
मिलना शुरू हुए. तो
exactly.
एक मन मिलने चाहिए.
बिल्कुल right.
पहले मन मिलेंगे तो बाकी काम.
बिल्कुल right.
So
बिल्कुल right.
this is the word.
This is the one. बिल्कुल right. So now final take from Abhishek.
Yes.
Right. So now ये सब चलता रहता है, काम आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे, right? But what do you want from a client so that you can deliver him the best? And what a client should expect from you so that you can deliver the best दोनों साइड से, so that win-win situation हो जाए.
From the client, the main important thing is clarity and what I can ask from the client is trust.
Yeah.
These two things match, everything is possible.
everything is possible. And now,
If you have to trust, if the job has been given, you have to trust it that it will be taken care of. The best of it is.
right.
And
So
that
now
I agree.
one question on very commercial terms. What exactly people should approach you for? जो काम आपको फोटे है, जो आप दिल से और मन से खुशी से कर पाएँ, वो काम ऐसे कौन से हैं जिसके लिए लोग आपको ट्रस्ट करें, आपको अप्रोच करें, वो बताइए. बिकॉज वी आर सिटिंग एंड वी विल बी शेयरिंग अमंग पीपल. द पीपल शुड अप्रोच यू फॉर दैट. अब वो दिल्ली का हो, दिल्ली के बाहर का हो, क्या आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है जिस स्ट्रेंथ को लोग यूज़ करें.
Anything related to events, be it production, sound, light, AV, technicals, and anything related to events. I can do anything in that regard. If the time clarity is given from the client side, everything can be taken care of.
Right.
Be it hospitality, travel, logistics, whatever.
बिल्कुल. So it means that
It's a turnkey project.
turnkey. You have taken my word. I was going to use that word.
I
Turnkey.
prefer doing turnkey.
I
but-
believe in turnkey.
But I also don't forgive. I don't like let go of smaller events also.
हाँ बिल्कुल है.
छोटे भी करते हैं.
Turnkey doesn't mean small or big. Turnkey means that the another person is trusting you and he is giving you everything.
That's what I'm saying. कई होते हैं जो सिर्फ पूरा ही turnkey देंगे.
हाँ.
कई होगी जो
हाँ
different part भी
हाँ
देंगे.
बिल्कुल है. वो जो आपने बताया कि क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए. क्लैरिटी से बता दिए कि सर ये काम आपका है.
हाँ बस.
जैसे अब आई गिव ए वेरी क्लियर एग्जांपल. समबडी से कि मंदिर बनाना है तो सीढ़ियाँ तुमने बनानी है, दरवाजे लकड़ी का काम फलाना करेगा. तो हर आदमी को पता कि मेरा क्या काम है. पर ओवरऑल एवरीबडी नो दैट वी आर मेकिंग ए टेम्पल. तो इवेंट के अंदर आपका ये रोल बोलते आप पूरा इवेंट आपका है या इवेंट का कौन सा पोर्शन आपका है वो क्लाइंट आपको बता दे. एंड वन कैन डिपेंड अपॉन यू एंड देन एट अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम. हाँ बिल्कुल.
He is a partner to your events.
हाँ.
Take that approach. He is the best guy. will take care of all your
he
headaches.
feels partner. One should feel partner.
Take away all your headaches.
हाँ,
आप अपना इवेंट के देखो ना क्वालिटी.
बिल्कुल है.
आप अपना कंटेंट डालो.
बिल्कुल है.
You focus on that. You
हाँ.
don't do every small work.
Exactly
So
right.
he will take care of you. You just tell him this is what I want.
I
Our
found
industry now is
हाँ.
a very specialized and very professional
right.
industry.
हाँ.
The quality, the terms,
हाँ.
in terms of as in the demands or the professional approach,
Exactly
in
right.
each and everything is very high.
Exactly right.
Everyone is doing that kind of quality work only. Looking forward.
That's very interesting. I saw that spark in you the moment I met you in the lobby.
Another
हाँ.
part which all of us are involved.
हाँ.
The meeting, incentive, conference and exposition is what we call. That portion, I'm telling you with my wisdom and with my approach to him, he is one of the finest who can help you
Exactly.
in the country.
Right. And you have tested him over the last 2 decades. You see, you're not speaking out of the hat. Your hat is here. You're not speaking out of your hat, but you are speaking out of your. You are speaking from your head, not your experience of 20 years with him association. That's why.
So AV event,
From
his
the heart,
company,
but he is speaking from the heart.
Exactly right. H is common, right? They got
his company AV event is your partner. That's the way anybody approaches him has to say.
Exactly right. बहुत बढ़िया. Fantastic. Abhishek, it was very nice meeting you and interacting with you. I was thinking that I should not go empty-handed today, so I must carry something back home, right?
So we do social events also. It's not related to only corporate these days.
Okay.
When the field is such, you have to do all kinds of work.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and as we were talking about COVID times, especially in those times, social sector was the one that
That rings a bell. Right. बिल्कुल right.
Because in corporate terms, everything was as in Zoom and online only.
Yes, yes.
बिल्कुल
So
right.
there was no physical events.
Right.
Whatever was allowed was social gatherings only for 20 to 50 people, whatever. And 100 people.
Exactly.
So we developed that.
You developed.
Yes, over that period. Though it was before that also, but we were not focusing that much.
Exactly right.
But post COVID, we are parallelly doing both the things.
Bilkul
So
right.
as a business model, we have corporate lined up also and social events.
The point which you touched, it is very important. As I told you, I have been always dealing with event managers who are grey hair. So I rarely find a person who is a child of a senior person and he is into that trade. तो आपको पता है मैंने एजेंसी बनाई थी, मेरे बच्चे कुछ और कर रहे हो, एजेंसी कोई रन नहीं करते. And but the people used to tell me कि सर एक बड़ा इवेंट है जो चेयरमैन कॉर्पोरेट का चेयरमैन अप्रूव करता है वो करता है, बट चेयरमैन के छोटे फंक्शन भी तो होते हैं, घर के फंक्शन होते हैं, प्राइवेट फंक्शन होते हैं या कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी में छोटे फंक्शन होते हैं, तो हम उसके थ्रू बड़े फंक्शन पर आई रखते हैं. तो दैट इज़ अ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर.
Basically the inroads for the bigger one.
Exactly right. So these are the inroads for the bigger road, and thank you very much for your time and for a very nice cup of tea, coffee, and lemonade, all at one place. And the hospitality of Hotel Lilith. Hotel Lilith is very, very dear to me, particularly.
We are two now.
Exactly. Even Madam.
She is the warden. She received our award.
I was together with them with the Srinagar Hotel when she was selecting the painting, etc. there. So I got a special connect with Lilith, and we are happy that we are sitting here. And thank you very much once again. Nice ambience. And rain has also stopped now. We were thinking that we will pass time, let it stop. Yeah, it has stopped and we will take good ride. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, this is back to Lilith.